What's up, everybody? It's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by our proud sponsor, D&C Properties. Just wanted to do a quick little video today of an unboxing of our newest tool to the RYOBI lineup here at our workshop. We were able to get the 3 amp hour 2 battery kit today in the store, and they still were able to honor the free brushless tool, which is phenomenal because as of right now, I just launched a video not too long ago about that this is only still in store, no more. It is only online. If you do want to figure out how you can get this for free with the 3 amp hour battery kit, subscribe to the channel, comment below, and I will tell you how to get it done. But besides that, again, I got this for free today with the 2 3 amp hour battery combo kit. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of this 7 1/4 inch brushless circular saw. This is model number P508. As you can see, I do have a 6 1/4 inch DeWalt. I do have a 5 1/4 inch RYOBI circular saw that's got a laser on it. I just needed something that was just a tad bigger, a little bit more depth of cut, and that's going to be more stable and sturdy when I'm doing longer cuts, when I'm ripping something. And it was just time for me to go ahead and upgrade to the 7 1/4 inch circular saw. So let's pull this thing right out of the box. Whew. And I will tell you right off the bat, this thing is beefy. Yeah. I think this is definitely like, you can see, right? It's a monster. Compared to the 6 1/4, not much of a difference. I'll tell you what though, the weight is actually not that bad. For a 7 1/4 inch saw, it's actually, I'm rather impressed with the weight itself. But for the most part, it looks really good. It feels well built. I'm really excited to test this thing out and see what it's got, you know? Again, this is part of their brushless line. So I am still fairly new when it comes to, this is actually my first brushless. I think this is the only brushless circular saw that RYOBI makes. So I'm really excited to test this bad boy out and see what kind of power it's got. So it does come with the bare tool, no batteries, but again, you buy the 3 amp hour battery kit, you can get this circular saw for free. Now let's be realistic, guys. A lot of people say, oh, RYOBI is a DIY type tool. I stress and say this all the time, so many times over, but let's be realistic here. I use RYOBI tools on a daily basis, and I'm going to tell you that they get the job done. They work, they last. I've yet to have a RYOBI tool fail on me, and that's just the truth behind the matter. You know, the guys that really say bad things about this tool, is they don't ever use it, so how do they really know that this tool is no good? They don't. Okay? But everybody's entitled to their own opinion, and I don't have a problem with people's opinions, but I do like facts. I'm a fact kind of guy. So if you think that this tool is junk, back it up with your facts, and then maybe we can talk. I'm probably going to go ahead and change the blade. It's probably here soon. This is a 24 tooth, 7 1/4 inch blade. Not that bad. So let's take this out. A piece of plastic here. Onboard storage for your tool, for the blade. What you're going to do is you're going to pull this up. And remember, when you're unscrewing the bolt to put on the blade, it's opposite, okay? You unscrew it like as if you were tightening it, because the way that the blade rotates, That's just, it's the physics of it, okay? Alright, now, let's go ahead and install the blade. Boom. Boom. And then when you tighten it, remember, you're going to tighten it as if you were loosening it. And you don't want to tighten it too tight when you're putting this blade back on. You just want to tighten it up pretty snug. Because what's going to happen is once you start using this thing, the blade's going to tighten up naturally by itself. Okay? Okay, nice and snug. And there you have it. So let's, I kind of want to hear this thing real quick. So we'll grab a 3 amp hour HP battery. We'll go ahead and pop this in and let's see what we got here. Whoa. LED light on the front, pretty cool. I didn't realize it had an LED light, but listen to this thing. The brake on it is pretty sweet. It's funny, it just sounds so much different than like a brush circular saw, you know? I will say though, the DeWalt's, the brake system on these are like probably my favorite. I mean, the blade stops like instant. Yeah, it doesn't get no better than that. But I will say that this is a nice system. Not bad. This is a nice saw. I really, really like it. I'm really excited to use this, guys. Again, this is model number P508. This is the RYOBI Brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Again, I'm really, really excited to test this out. Stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and launch a video soon of this tool in action so we can really, really see how powerful this thing really is, the runtime, depending on if it's a 3 amp, 4 amp, 6 amp, or 9 amp hour batteries. That way I can give honest feedback about how great this tool really is and what it can do and how it can perform in the field. I think that's a fair assessment because I'm all about facts and how it performs on the job site. So, again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that bell below. Stay tuned. It will always notify you when I'm launching new videos and new things of these great tools. And if you really, really still want to get your free RYOBI tool and not have to go online and do it, comment below. I'll send you a message. I'll DM you whatever you want, and I'll tell you how to do it. I'll send you what you need to do it. And it's 100% guaranteed. They have no choice but to honor the 2 free batteries and the free tool. Again, thank you so much, guys. My name is Chris with Longevity, and this is it. 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Thank you.